Okay, here we are at the Chena River, obviously. It's December 19th, Saturday morning, about 11 a.m. And I'm going to be out today just taking some scenery shots for the video. And we've got a long leash. Got the video in the car with a cigarette lighter plug. And this is kind of a new experiment. This is the Nordale Road where it crosses the Chena River. The Chena River runs through Fairbanks, and we're about 15 miles outside of Fairbanks, 15 miles upstream on the Chena River. And it's all frozen over, and there's probably some people there out riding snowmobiles up and down the river. So we're going to get around town and try and shoot some Christmas lights and some of the scenes around Fairbanks and show you a little bit of what Fairbanks looks like in the wintertime. It's real pretty. Got my water tank on the back of my truck. Everybody gather out in the light. Step back, Moit.
Got more cord.
Yep.
I'll be the cord man.
You step out in front, George. You're cool.
Okay, you still got about another time.
Oh, I know. There's... All right, Christmas Eve, and we're ready for the fireworks display. What we're going to do is we're going to set this up on a tripod, so hopefully you will get as good a view as we will. We're pumped. This is going to be great. No, we're going to set the tripod way out back. I mean, on the driveway.
Oh.
So you get a big view.
Go get a close up of that, can you or not?
I can zoom. There's pod number 1.
And it's 40 pod number 1.
And pod number 2 is...
Did a test fire on these little jobs here, and I almost blew my hand up. Oh yeah.
Excuse me. There's pod number 2 packed with fireworks.
John, go on, do it, go on. Show your brother right now. You want to do it now? We're doing an early one.
Oh, we're going to do... Sure.
This is a big one.
Preliminary. This is preliminary.
The mortar. Is that great?
Get Phil's house.
Yeah! Yeah! Go, baby, go. Come on, Pat. Get a bomber.